other genres as well?
Yes, I mean, I've already started with Chil Gaye Naina. I don't know if you've heard from NH10, which was very different to the Punjabi masala that I do. I have been doing. No, and I have a lot of different kind of music coming up now. A lot of Sufi ballads, just a bit of everything. So yeah, you will be hearing a lot of different stuff now, before the summer.
Kanika, not much is known about your modeling career. Can you please elaborate on that?
Well, I'd like.
Open for more offers in the
Well, you know, I've never been really a model, to be honest. I don't know, I mean, I read that about myself sometimes and I wonder why. But living in London, being exposed to the fashion world out there, I was just doing it for fun. I've, yes, walked the ramp for the Couture Week in Milan for Alberta Ferretti, which is one of the biggest, very well known designers in the world, and more. So I've done work with Vogue in Italy, and I was quite into the whole fashion scene in Milan for a couple of years. But it was not exactly modeling. It was more being like a muse for brands and just being a part of the whole fashion scene. And yes, I'd love to do some more fashion work in India, and it's quite new for me. So.
Please.
Hi, my question is for Shalini. Hi, and also Ramika. How does it feel to be on the cover of Society?
Kanika, you want to go first?
No, I'll let you.
You let me.
Okay.
Well, let me answer that. Look at them. They're looking so gorgeous on the magazine cover.
Oh dear.
So I'm sure the people will be telling them.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
And now, of course.
I'm feeling really shy that you asked me that question. Does that explain? Is that a comment at all? I'm really. Who will not be happy being on the cover of Society? I think
you're fishing for compliments.
I think it makes me, when I remove the cover right now, I felt like I have to up my game here on. I'm on the cover of Society. I have to do much better than where I am right now. That's the first thing I thought of.
Well, for me, just being 12 months old in Mumbai, in Bollywood, in this whole musical world, reading India's hottest singing sensation was like, what? Really? So it's very humbling for me, and I'm very happy and very thankful that I've been chosen to be a part of this. So.
Question is for Shalini. Pareshan made you an overnight star. So how much of your success do you attribute to Amit Trivedi?
A lot of it, because he's the one who recognized that I could sing a Hindi song at all. Because he judged my singing based on 2 English songs that I had sent him as demos. So I think he was the spark, and that spark made the fire. Sorry, excuse me. I think it's not Amit Trivedi. That would be fun if it were Amit Trivedi.